can't believe this.
But guess what? Ntombi Zizi is turning 21 today. So happy birthday to her.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
And how do we know that Ntombi is turning 21? Well, both her boyfriends sent me an email asking me to wish her a happy birthday.
Both her boyfriends.
Both her
sounds
boyfriends.
So wrong. Hey?
I've actually got the guys on the line. Stevens.
Hey, Mo.
How you doing, guy?
Fine, how are you?
Good, man. Well, I got your email about your girlfriend, Ntombi, who's turning 21 today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna call in a second. I'm just trying to get our other boyfriend on the line. Loyiso.
Yeah, what's up, man?
How you doing, guy?
No, I'm all good.
I'm good, man. I got your email about your girlfriend, Ntombi.
Yo, I love her so much, and today's her birthday, man.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna call her. It's a nice surprise for her.
Make it special, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna try and make it special, my bud. Just give me a second.
I don't think he caught that part, that you just said.
Which part?
Well, I don't know. I'm trying to get...
Hello.
Ntombi, how are you?
I'm alright, and you?
Good. This is Mo from YFM.
Oh, okay.
I understand you are turning 21 today.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Mo.
All right. What did you do? Anything special today?
My friends and I went out. We were in Fenton. We had a lunch this afternoon, and then, yeah.
All right. Well,
yeah.
Listen, your boyfriend sent me an email asking me to call you live and in, wish you a happy birthday. Loyiso and Stevens.
Pardon?
Your boyfriends, Loyiso and Steven?
Whoa. Boyfriend?
Loyiso and Steven?
Yes.
No. In fact, this is Loyiso.
They called you.
No. They sent me an email. James, hang on.
Pretending she doesn't know what's going
Loyiso,
on.
chill, guy. This is what happened. Whoa. Calm down. This is what happened. Wait a minute. Just chill. All right?
Okay.
This is what happened. Steven sent me an email saying Ntombi is celebrating a birthday today. Ntombi Zizi, no?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
And there was a number. Then Loyiso sent me an email saying Zizi is celebrating a birthday, and it was the same number. How does that happen, Ntombi?
Ntombi, please explain.
Well, it is my birthday, and
Okay, whoa, gents. Loyiso, Stevens, calm down. Whoa.
Guys, one at a time. Sheesh. Yo.
You know what? Come on, listen to this.
Okay, hang on, one at a time, gentlemen, one at a time.
I in fact spent about 2,000 rand.
hello.
Ntombi, okay, listen, love. You have two boyfriends. This is what I've gathered.
Explain, girl, explain.
How can the same two guys send me an email saying happy birthday to the same girl? How does that happen?
Well, Loyiso is my boyfriend, and Steve and I sort of like had, Loyiso was away, so, yeah.
Hang on, so...
It's a long story.
So Loyiso was away, and you decided to rock with Steven?
No, we sort of like...
Just give me a sec. Can you hear the animosity that's happening here?
Hear them.
Okay, guys, just hang on. Whoa, guys, just chill. Woo-wee. Okay, so explain very quickly, love. What the hell's going on?
No.
Why are you dating two guys at the same time?
Did you have to ask
That's
me that?
wrong.
No,
on
I have
Okay.
to. Why the hell are you doing that?
Mo, my mother's listening to this.
I don't give a damn. Your mother should know that you're messing around.
Oh.
Why are you doing this? Listen to this.
Listen to what you're doing
Stevens,
to the guy.
Loyiso, just chill.
You've been with Loyiso for the past 3 years. What about you have been with me for the past 5 years?
All right, this is just getting out of
The
hand.
guys are upset, eh?
Can I speak to Loyiso?
You want to speak to Lee? What are you going to say to him? You playing
No.
the
No,
guy?
let her speak.
No, but
let
hang
her
on.
explain. Perhaps she'll
Okay.
explain.
Loyiso, just hang on. All right, guys, chill. Loyiso, Ntombi wants to talk to you for a second.
Hello, baby. Hello. Loyiso.
I'm talking to you. You've got 2 beds now on air.
Oh, Loyiso, Stevens, chill, guy.
Oh, they're not giving me
All
anything
right.
to explain myself.
Okay, you know what? Okay, I don't know. Seko, what do I do? This is getting out of
Yeah,
hand.
but we need to sort this out.
No, but Ntombi, why are you dating two guys at the same time?
No, Mo, things happen, bro.
Things happen.
Things happen. How about dumping the other one and, you know what I mean?
No. I believe
If
in
you don't
having
like
one
him
partner.
anymore.
Hang on. No. I believe in having one partner.
What?
No,
I
but
do
guys,
too.
we didn't have to do this on air already now.
No,
Come
but
on.
I'm making a statement. This show is a firm believer in having a single partner. I don't give a damn. if it's your birthday or not. What you're doing is wrong. It's wrong.
So now you guys have ruined my day.
Well, you're about to ruin your life for having more than one partner.
And Luis and I have been dating for 5 years.
Well, you should have thought about that before you started screwing around.
Can I speak to Loiso? Please, guys, can you give me
Loiso?
Steven, now we want to speak to Loiso.
Okay, all right. Steven. All right,